Hey, alright everybody, how's it going? Now, is it just me, or does anybody else hate the fact that to keep the GoPro 11 or 10 or 9 or whatever it is compact and to have a microphone, you've got to buy the media mod? Is it just me who hates that fact? So the media mod costs about £80, or if you subscribe to their subscription servicey thing, then it costs about 50 something, 55, I'm not quite sure. And they do a little dongly thing as well with the wire hanging off. That is stupid as well, because where do you put it? Right, and the reason I'm saying this is because I do e-bike videos, I put a helmet on, right? And I want to put the GoPro in front of me and I want to have audio. Now, for some reason, GoPro make you buy a media mod, right? Why? 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 Why have you got to buy it? Now, if you go on to Insta 360 website and look, they do a little microphone doodah that you can just plug into the side, and it only costs about £20. Why? GoPro, listen, make a little doodah that you can stick in the side. You only take the door off the side of the GoPro, right? Make that, take the door off, make a door thing that sticks in the side, and you can put a mic in. Oh, that'd be so simple, and make it a bit cheaper. That'd be so simple. But you can't do that, can you? You cannot do it. You've got to make us buy the media mod. Okay then, so you might be thinking, why am I having a bit of a moan? I'm being a bit grumpy and I having a moan about a media mod. But here's why. I bought an Osmo Action 3, it had a focus issue, and I sent it back. But you could actually plug a mic in with a £6 USB-C adapter, which was great. £6, right? So it can take most mics on the DJI Action 3. And before I bought the Action 3, I sold my GoPro 10, which actually had the media mod on it, which fits the GoPro 11. So I sold my GoPro 10 and the media mod to buy the Action 3. Now, do you see where I'm coming from? Now, I've sent the Action 3 back, and I've ordered now a GoPro 11. So you've guessed it, I've got to buy another media mod. Oh, come on. So that's another £55 on top, isn't it, right? But I'm not going to buy the media mod yet because I'm going to test the GoPro 11. So my next video will probably be testing the GoPro 11. And I'm going to test it thoroughly this time to make sure I'm happy with it. If I'm not happy with it, I don't know what camera to buy next because I'm running out of options. But I think looking at footage of other people's GoPro 11s, the actual picture itself looks good. There's a lot of things I don't like about the GoPro, but I'll go into that again. So you can see why I'm a bit miffed off that GoPro only does this media mod instead of doing either. They could do the same as DJI, where you can plug a USB-C mic in or a USB-C adapter in, because it's got a USB-C port, so they could do that, find a bit of room inside, or make the camera slightly bigger and pop, so you can accept a microphone, or make a £20 small dongle. Don't make the full thing. Now, look, I don't want this to be like some sort of diss track on GoPro, because all these action cameras and everything, they've all got their plus points and they've all got their minus points. Maybe if the Action Camera 3 and the GoPro 11, you melded them two together, then you'd have the perfect camera, I think. But that's not the world we live in. So, so I'm going to have to put up with buying the media mod again, probably. But I just wish GoPro would make like a small little, a small little dongle you could stick in the side, or not, a little thing you could stick in the side, and you could use any mic, like a £20 one. Come on, GoPro, do it. Do it. So I wish they would do that. But I don't want to be too harsh on the media mod because there are some benefits to the media mod. Look, if I was going to use the media mod to put one of them, they do like a front-facing screen, because it's got two cold shoes on the media mod. So if I was going to do that, I could put the front-facing screen on and that would work lovely. Or they do a light as well. A bit expensive for a light, but I think they do that as well. I will say the GoPro media mod, because I've had one from my experience, the mics are not fantastic. The mics are not much better than the actual internal mics themselves. So I wouldn't buy a medium mod just for the mics because, I don't know, they're not that good. And also, when I had my GoPro 10 on my bike with the media mod, and I had the windsock thing on, the windsock, and it blew away. And they don't sell them separate either. Oh, I'm telling you now, GoPro, I'm telling you. Right, so sell them little wind muffy things as well. Sell them separate. Make a small, cater for everybody. Cater for everybody's needs, because everybody uses a GoPro differently. And I would never I'd never use a bigger front-facing thing, and I'd probably never use a light. I might do, I don't know. I don't use it for vlogging facing towards me. I use it facing away from me. So that's the way I use it. Other people use it differently. Some people stick it on their skateboard. Some people stick it, I don't know where they stick it. So that's my bit of a rant as why I don't really like the media mod. I'd rather something cheaper to suit my needs, so I don't have to keep paying, £55 each time. And look, eventually, GoPro, this is GoPro 11, GoPro 12, it might have a different form factor. So if I buy the GoPro media mod, right, next year, I could be going, oh my God, I got to buy, if I want to buy another GoPro, then the media mod, that's got to go in the bin again, haven't it? Well, not in the bin, you'd sell it, wouldn't you? But you know what I mean, so... So that's the sort of reasons why the medium mod, it gets on my nerves. Because there should be a cheaper version. If there was a cheaper version, I'd be fine with it. I would. But anyway, if you like my little sort of rant, bit of a grump, give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ho-hoi!